Hello everyone, my name is Wasim and today we're gonna be doing math. Yes. First, this first let's start with simple math. If you don't know this one already, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we know that. So let's talk about addition. Today we're gonna be learning mm, addition. So let's start. 1 plus 1 equals 2. What that means, kids, is stick plus stick equals 2 sticks. Understand? Okay. So if you already understand the basics of addition, let's start with a little more complex addition. 7 plus 5 equals. You could use your fingers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 12. How about 3 plus 2? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 equals, guess what? 5. Okay, so we already know basics. Basics math, 1 plus 1 equals 2. But let's get a little more complex. So 1 plus 11. Remember, anything plus 1 is just the number after it. 1 plus 11 equals 12. Okay, so listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you could see that anything plus 1, it turns into the number ahead of it. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. But how about anything plus 2? Just 2 more than it. When you're gonna do addition in a more complex way like this. Here is how I usually do additions. Let's say if you have a complex number like 14 plus 34. There's two ways of doing it. You could do 13, 34 like this. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 1 plus 3 equals 4, 48. Or you could do this. 14 is divided into 10 and 4. 10 plus 34 equals anything plus 10 is just you make this number bigger. You add it by 1. So that becomes equals 4. And 4 plus 10 equals 8 plus 10. That means 34 times. And then this plus 10 equals 48. So you just add 1 to the number and it becomes this number and it becomes the big number, the 44. But then now you have to add the 4 and you add it to the 34. And what we know is 4 plus 4 equals 8. There's you have 4 fingers. You count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you got 1. Okay, so that might sound a little hard for young kids, but I'll explain it. I'll explain it. You always add by the number that the section is. Let's say there's a how about 17 plus 62? Maybe asking why I'm doing it. You'll see later in the video. So what we do is this. We can only add this number by this number equals, so 7 plus 2 equals 9. And this number plus this number, 1 plus 6 equals 7. So 79. Understand? Okay. But how about if we're going to do this? Well, let's say, oh, I made a mistake. 23 plus 49. Because what, if you don't know already, 3 plus 9 equals 12. Just remember, if you're gonna add anything plus 9, the first digits, it'll always be its counterpart in the 18, 12, in the what I call the teens numbers, because it's also the era ages where teens are how old the teens are. So the teen, so this, so you'll always decrease this number and add a 1, or just minus the 3 plus 10 equals 13, and then you minus it by 1. Okay. Oh, sorry. So remember, 10 plus any number, let's say 5, equals 1, equals adding it, you add a 1 to it, add a 10 to it. Okay. So what was my example again? My example was what was it? Oh man, please wait. Okay, so my example was 23 plus yes, 49. So that, I think so. I don't know. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. So what are we gonna do with this? We put down the 2 and we put up the 1. And then not, and then we add this to this, so it becomes a 3, or we add this to this, so it becomes a 5, or we could just add it when we already finished the equation. Like 3 plus 4 equals 7, 2 plus 4 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7, 5 plus 2 equals 7, and yeah. Makes sense now? And 1 plus 4 equals 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay, now we know. So now we know two-digit addition. Now, should we try simple third three-digit addition? Sorry for saying division. Plus 96. Might sound like a big number, but if you just divide it easily, you'll get it. 6 plus 9 equals, you guessed it, 15. So we move the 1 up there. 4, I like to add this one, make it a bigger one. 4 plus 9 equals 13. And then 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, so 235. So it's pretty simple. But let's have a random question. 1, 3, 5, 6, 9, 7, 2, 5, 6, 3, 8, 4. Simple. Very simple. If you just divide it into simple steps. 7 plus 4 equals 7 plus 3 plus 1. 7 plus 4 equals 11. So you put the 1. 10 plus 8, like you said, equals 18. 7 plus 3 equals 10. And then 6 plus 6 equals 12. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And last of all, 1 plus 2 equals 3. And we got big number 392,881. 392,881. or 39 390,281, depending on how you say it. So that's all for this video. We passed the 10-minute mark. Hope you have a great day. See you next time, and don't forget to enjoy math. Deep. Bye. Let's wait till the 10:30 mark. Whoop.